everyone, Glama here. It's been a while since I've been on this channel with a new video, so I thought while I'm getting ready for the day I would just go ahead and just turn on the camera. So I'm not going to do anything major. I'm just going to put on my everyday type makeup, and I'm not going to be too heavy on the eyes or anything like that. Just going to do a nice natural eyeshadow, I think, anyway. You never know. When I get to playing with my makeup, things always change. I start having fun with it, so at least the plan is to just do a natural day makeup. Alright, and the reason I'm even getting ready, putting makeup on, I don't put makeup on every day. The reason I'm putting makeup on is because I'm going to be making a short video for my crochet channel, Made with Love by Glama. So yeah, I'm going to start a new series on that channel. So it's going to be teaching children how to finger crochet, so that'll be fun. So anyway, that's why I'm putting on my makeup, so I can do a little intro on that channel over there. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Get started with my foundation. I already have some Hard Candy Skin Illuminating Primer, and it actually minimizes the look of your pores and it makes the makeup go on a lot smoother. So I'm going to use my my Eco Tools stippling brush to put my foundation on, and I'm using Revlon Age Defying foundation. So I'm not going to go too heavy on anything, just because I just want minimal, just so that I don't look too scary on camera when I'm making my intro video. I don't want to scare all the kids. I like to put it on in a circular motion so that it fills in my pores. I don't have my glasses on, so I have to use my 10 zoom mirror to make sure that everything is nice and smoothed out there. Okay, on to my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm going to use a little tiny stippling brush by e.l.f. right here. I like to leave this for last, just because it defines our cheekbones. So I just noticed that the card was full, so what I was saying is that I like to leave this area for last because it sets in so that it'll define my cheekbones more. So before I noticed that the camera had gone off, I already finished stippling on my concealer under the eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the cheekbone area. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little bit of translucent powder on. This one's by L'Oreal. It's Hydra Perfect loose powder. And I put that everywhere where I put the concealer, because it'll help set it in and keep everything in place. I just put it on very messy. Because we're going to be dusting that off soon anyway. Alright. Put my headband on. There. Get my hair on my face. Okay, now I'm just going to dust that off. Hikari blush. I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer right here. don't like to use too much bronzer on my forehead because I already have a small forehead, I think, and anything that's dark appears smaller, so I don't like to use too much. And then lately I've just been using my big contouring brush, just brushing on the sides of my nose, just because it's so much faster than, I don't know, than the other way that I used to do it. Stippling brush, just going to smooth that all in. I'm going to use my Carly Bible palette. I'm going to use a highlighter right here, this one right here. On the high points of my face. Gives it a little touch of glow. Let me use my stippling brush to kind of smooth that in too. Okay, on to eyebrows. I'm using, now that my hair is more of a grayish, bluish tint to it, this doesn't really go with my hair color now, but when it was more platinum blondish, this went really perfect. It's Milani, and it's by Milani, and it's natural taupe. So I haven't gone and bought a new shade to go with this hair color, but for now this is what I'm going to use. Just gonna follow the natural line to my eyebrows, just darken it up a bit. Because like I always say, I'm getting older, my eyebrows are getting sparser. It's one thing that I really don't like about getting older is my eyebrows have totally thinned down. Because just by doing this, look at how it frames your face. That right there just makes your face. Over here, I just look kind of alienish with no eyebrows. So yeah, my frame is missing now that I'm getting older. Go get eyebrow hair implants. That's what I would like to do. Sure, that's pretty pricey though. Perfect, but that's okay. I'm just gonna be home, not going anywhere. Just thought I would throw the camera on and chit chat with y'all a little bit since it's been a while since I've made a video for this channel. This is just what I do when I'm just going somewhere really fast or gonna film really fast. This is just what I do. Okay, I think I'm going to use this Profusion Nude palette because I want to keep it simple today. Keep it natural. I guess it's not natural because I'm putting makeup on, but you know, keep it natural looking. I don't know what color I want to use though. Maybe something like this. I don't know. I think I'll use the brush that comes with it now and do a little bit of a darker color in the center. And then with the other side of the brush, I'm going to go in with a darker color right there. Put that on the outer V of my eye. problem not being too precise with it, just because, like I said, this is just to have some makeup on here at home. Now I'm going to go in with my big fluffy blending brush and just blend that in. Now, what I've been doing lately, I've been using this flat brush right here. And I'm going to take the darkest color that I used right here. And I'm going to load it up on both sides of my brush, because I'm going to use that for the crease, to define my crease a little better. So that's something that I've started doing, that I just kind of discovered. It's a quick way to be precise in the crease there. See? Gives your eye definition. Just kind of move your brush like a windshield wiper. Alright, now I'm going to get my fluffy brush again and just blend that in. Just touching the tops of that, because I don't want to take off the crease, so I'm just touching the top of that. A little bit more. Okay. Alright. That's pretty much it for the eyeshadow, I think. Back with my Carly Bible palette, I'm going to grab this color right here with this little brush for the tear duct area, just to open that up, brighten it up a little bit. Get my fan brush and take all the eyeshadow fallout that fell onto my face. I got this Expert Wear by Maybelline. It's brown. It says it's brownish black eye pencil, but I don't like, it's not dark enough, but let me see. I might be happy with it today since I want to go kind of light. But I've got a feeling I'm going to go over it with black. Because you really can't see it very much. Maybe I'll stick with it. Yeah, I think I'll just leave that. I don't know. See it? So this has kind of been my go-to everyday makeup. Not everyday makeup, because like I said, I don't put makeup on every day. But like if I'm going to run to the store really fast and I don't want to scare anybody, I don't always go to this much depth, but I usually try to use natural looking colors. Alrighty, that's all I'm going to do for that. Just going to throw on a touch of mascara. Alright, now I'm going to put a little bit on the lower lash. Alright, so I finished my bottom lashes. I'm going to use my Master Kajal pencil. It's like a real thick, chunky pencil by Maybelline. I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. Just because I want a little bit more definition to my eye. And a little bit on the tight line here, on the outer corner of my tight line. There, that should do it. Alright, now I'm just going to go on to my lips. I'm just going to do like a nude lip. I'm going to use a taupe lip liner. I think it's called taupe. I can't see. No, it's called tiramisu. That's what it's called. Now I'm going to use a matte lipstick by NYX. I think it's called Spirit. Yeah, Spirit. It's just a matte color, very chalky looking. Almost looks like concealer. But then I use a little lip gloss on top, and I love the color that this gives it. Just a clear gloss, but it kind of helps blend the liner and the lipstick together, so I just love that look. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. Take this off. And that's my little short video. Let me see. My hair. Yeah. I've done so much to my hair lately, but no more bleaching. No more dyeing it black. It's finally the color that I want. It's like a gray color. Sometimes it looks blue on camera, but in person it's really gray. So anyway, I'm done, and I just wanted to chit chat with y'all a little bit while I put my makeup on. I'm gonna get ready to do a little intro video for my crochet channel, but I just wanted to upload something here because I know it's been a while. I just wanted y'all to know that I'm still around. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Bye. Mwah.